oxygen generation plant of 270 litres per minute (LPM) capacity will be ready for commissioning at Shillong Civil Hospital in East Khasi Hills. Around 98% work, including installation, has been completed, and in the next 24 hours, the plant will be commissioned, which can support 25 beds with high-flow oxygen. On 16th May, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inspected the ongoing installation at the hospital. He also held review meeting at the hospital and thanked the doctors, nurses and staff of the hospital for their dedicated and concerted service for the citizens of the state. Sangma informed that all efforts are being made by the government to ensure management and control measures taken by the district administration amid the current COVID-19 scenario. At present, there are a total of about 4,534 active cases in the state. The cases shows an upward trend, and government has imposed lockdown in East Khasi Hills and strict containment measures in other parts of the state. Regarding treatment facilities, Chief Minister said that across the state, the districts have dedicated COVID management system.
But of course, I'm just assessing. I cannot say for sure. But today's cases, we have seen a dip in East Khasi Hills. So in the new cases, so it has come down to 250 roughly. It was at 300, 360, all three. So today's 250. The district has gone up. It's a bit more. The reward has crossed